Hey love, so I'm back again with just another quick Dollar Tree headband DIY for you guys. And I'm using these three brown leatherish headbands I found at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use this gold bling trim, also from the Dollar Tree, with some glue sticks. The other two pearls and diamonds I decided not to use. So let's get into this video. The first thing I'm going to do is take the trim and measure it just to see how far I need to cut over. And I believe I went about 6 notches. Just to ensure that I had enough bling to wrap around the inside of the headband as well. And now all I'm going to do is just peel this off. It already has a sticky adhesive on the back, but to my liking, it was not sticky enough. So I am going to go in and add a little hot glue just to ensure that it lays down on the headband. So I'm just going to go in and repeat that same step 2 more times. So now I'm just taking the hot glue to seal the inside pieces just to make sure that they do not pop up. And so to finish the headbands off, I'm just going to take another smaller script of diamonds and hot glue those to the bottom just to fully cover the headband. And it's just that simple. And I'm just going to take a little hot glue to each end just to close it up. And it's just that simple, voila. And there you have it. All 3 headbands are done. $6 only. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you next time. Bye, loves. Don't be looking at my hair. Y'all just look at the headband. 5-minute DIY, if I do.